Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and all my viewer watchers. I know you've been watching some good videos and everything, learning how to cook in the Power XL, which is you didn't get much demonstration on them when you bought the Power XL. So I'm here today to show you what all you can do in this Power XL. So today, my ingredients, I'll be using some sweet potatoes. I have a lot of stuff on my list people want me to do, and I've been going down the list, so lately I say, well, I'll catch the easiest ones first, just kind of knock them out the way and everything. Today I'll be baking some sweet potatoes. As you see, they're nice and small. I washed them and everything. They're nice and small, looking nice and good. So I'm going to use 5 of these potatoes today and everything. When I was a kid, we used to just bake them in the oven, eat them just like this, which is they are good for dessert. They're good just to snack on. You want something to snack on, you want something sweet, not too sweet. It's good to have these potatoes. I know a lot of people around back in the day, they used to bake them, so I'm going to show you how you can do it in the Power XL too. Today I'll be using a little butter, just rubbing them up, a little butter. I'm going to slice them up nice and good. Put slices on them, not slice them all the way up, but just slice them. And I'll be wrapping it up in this foil paper, and I'll be putting them into this Power XL. And the time being, what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise this top up right here, and I'm just going to turn this on to bake. Switch it to bake. It's on bake, and I'm going to set my timer right here. It's for 375. I'm going to set it for 375, and I'm just going to turn that up a notch. 375. Put it on 375. That's the temperature, 375. So we don't want to overdo it. I'm press timer, set my minutes. I'm going to just set my minutes for I'm going to set it for 45 minutes. And I'm going to press start. And it's bake, and I'm gonna put the thing down, just let it preheat. Now it's preheating. While it's preheating, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put a little butter on these potatoes just like this, and rub it on it and everything. Before I put it in this foil paper, just rub it up. Get it nice and good, so it be nice and tender and soft and everything. Just butter these up nice and good. And I would just put it on this foil right here and butter this one up nice and good, and just butter that up. And I'm going to sit this one over there. After I put the butter on these, what I'm going to do is just slice them, put some slices on them, so all this just soak in nice and good. Just put the butter on just like that. Like that. Put it on these right here, and that's gonna work just like that. Put it on there, just like that. So while that's preheating, I'm put it on. And so this right here go good on the side if you want something with your dinner. Whatever you're having with your dinner, you're just gonna have the potatoes on the side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to slice them like this. Slice it, give it a nice little slice like that on them, so they come out looking nice and good. You see, I just slice it straight so they open up. I'm going to wrap it in this foil paper right here. Just wrap it like that. I'm not going to close it all the way. You leave it, let it get a little air, and put it in like that. There's one. I'm going to do this one the same way. Like that. You see, just like that. Take it, wrap it. Like that. That way it's easy to pull it out. When you get ready to take it out, you can take it out. And since it's 5 of us, So I'm just going to be doing 5 so everybody had an individual potato. Because when you say sweet potato, everybody wants some, no matter what way you cook it. And if you want anything else on this sweet potato like cinnamon, nutmeg, you can always add it after it get done. But we'll be taking a sneak peek at this and see how it come out ourselves while it's cooking. You know, that's the way Mr. Belle like to do, take you step by step so you'll get an idea how everything goes. And it make it easy for me, you, and everyone. And I'm gonna sit there that just like that until the Power XL get through preheating. And when you say through preheating, it would say add food. And this is for all my first time brewers. And if while this is cooking, you know, Mr. Belle like to wash his dishes in between when he's cooking, so you don't save it for your spouse, your kids, or your friend, whoever what you're cooking with you. That way you can enjoy the food, the kids enjoy the food and everything, knowing they don't have to do the dishes. And that's the good thing about cooking in the Power XL. As you see, it say add food. I'm gonna raise that top up. I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to put these in just like this. Just like that. Sit that down, sit them potatoes in there, like that. Just like that. And in this bowl, we're going to see how it do. We'll sit this top down, and it's going to start by itself, like that. And this for 45 minutes. And just let it bake. Okay, so now it's been 24 minutes. We're gonna raise this up together and see how it look. Just raise this top up. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up one of these foil papers and everything, see how it look and everything. It's looking pretty good. I know you can't hardly see it. It's looking good. It's baking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it bake for a little bit more longer. But I'm gonna just take it out so you get an idea how it look too. So I'm gonna let it bake a little while longer because it haven't baked all the way. As you see, the slices is looking good on it and everything. And put that fork in it. Yeah, I need to bake a little bit more. So I'm gonna let it bake a little bit more. Finish up the minutes. Put it in there like that. Put that top on it and let it bake. Let it finish. Just like that. So altogether, it's been 34 minutes. So now we're gonna open it up. We're gonna take another peep at it. You know, Mr. Belle like taking you step by step. So we're gonna take a peep at it. I'm gonna take one of these out. Same one I took out. We're gonna see how it look and everything. See how this sweet potato coming out. Is it nice and soft yet? Yes, it is getting soft. It's soft. See how easy that fork go in there? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it cook the rest of the minutes, and I'm gonna take all of them out, and we're gonna look at it together. Also, we're gonna taste it together. And it's not the amount of time you put on it, it's how big of potatoes you put in it and everything, you increase the time. Right now I have the little potatoes, so I'm using that, like I said, I used 45 minutes, I'm gonna use them 45 minutes. But if the potatoes is big, I would add more minutes to it. So I'm gonna leave it like that for the time being. Also with the season, when you're watching Mr. Belle videos, it depends on how much food you put in. You can add seasoning to it, or you can reduce the seasoning because it amounts how much food you put into your Power XL, the way you would enjoy. Right now, I'm just doing it to the way we enjoy and everything, to give you ideas what all you can cook in this Power XL. And I thank everyone who's watching. And don't forget, while you're watching and you think about subscribing to Mr. Belle, sure you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. You watching, why not? That's all you have to do is ding, hit that bell, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, and you're getting good cooks. As you see, I have 1 minute left. Potatoes is almost done. And we're gonna see how these sweet potatoes come out. These baked sweet potatoes come out and everything. They should come out very good. I'm just waiting till that last minute so I can take everything out. And it should be buzzing in a minute. Take everything out. As you see, it's circulating, it's finished. So I'm going to open it up and we're going to take a look at this together. I'm going to press cancel. It's like that. And I'm going to take it out, this one first. As you see, it's looking nice and good. Look at the sweets. It's into the paper. So that's nice and soft. Look at that. That's looking good. Now I'm going to take this one out. You know potatoes hold a lot of heat. I want to do a taste of them, but I'm going to see that's hot and soft. Take that out just like that. Take them out. I didn't mess up the Power XL. Everything still is clean because I had it in this paper right here. I'm just going to stick the fork in it and move it like that. Take this one out. See how easy that fork go in them? That fork go in there nice and good. Those deep potatoes is soft. They is cooked. Take it out, put that one in like that. And that's looking good. Put all this to the side. You see, these potatoes are nice and good. They're splits. I slice them nice and easy. They be easy to open. And look at there. And that's 5 of them. That's good. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment in the box. And don't forget, if you like it and you're thinking about subscribing, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I have a lot of videos. I have a lot of different things I'm cooking in this Power XL. Plus, I have a lot of things cooking. I'm not cooking in the Power XL. I'm cooking on the stove. So, continue to watch. Enjoy. Thank you.